Before starting the poem, I will tell you about the dragon. What is dragon? A dragon is a legendary creature that belongs to mythology and fantasy world. And there are stories about dragon in Chinese culture. It is four-legged animal and flames comes out from its mouth and it produces smoke from its nostril. And you can see there are many movies based on dragon. They do not exist now.
Let's children read the poem Dragon Feast. If you want to feed a dragon, start with something hot. Spicy prawns in Vindaloo, the fairest that you have got. They like all kinds of fiery food, red hot chilies, pickled limes, sausages in mustard, peppered crab, with toast burnt 14 times. Follow this with deep fried mango in a burnt vinegar sauce and some of the very strongest mints to finish this, of course. This poem is written by Moira Andrew and she has written many poems. So here the now children I will make you understand the poem. If you want to feed a dragon, then what things you can serve to it? If you want to feed a dragon, start with something hot, spicy prawns in a vindaloo, the fiercest that you have got. It means it like the spiciest food, uh, full of spices and something very hot. Vindaloo is a type of curry, and spicy prawns means you can see over here. These are spicy prawns. This is a non-vegetarian food and it is full of spice, and you can serve the dragon with the fairest and hottest things. They like all kinds of fiery food, red hot chilies and pickled limes. Pickled lime means pickle. Red hot chilies you can see here. This is the red hot chilies and pickled limes. Pickle you also eat lemon pickle. Sausages in mustard, peppered crab and toast burnt 14 times. So what kind of food it likes? You can see toast here. It burned 14 times. And sausages. Sausages means like a hot dog which you eat hot dog. It is a type of hot dog dish. Sausages in mustard with toast burnt 14 times. Follow this with deep fried mango in a burnt vinegar sauce. And it likes the mango which is deep fried and also burnt in a vinegar sauce. And some of the very strongest mints to finish with, of course. You can see that here is also some leaves, green leaves, mint leaves. If you want to finish the food in the end, it likes to eat mint leaves. So if you in the end of the meal, it likes to eat strongest mint after the food. So if you invite a dragon to these food, you have to give it to him to eat. This is an imaginary poem and it is all about the dragon, what kind of food it likes. So it almost like spicy food which is very hot and full of uh, chilies, and you can also say spices. So it is its favorite food.
I hope children you have understood this poem. So learn this poem and underline the difficult words so that you can understand very well.